da-da. Between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, you made me change my ways. Oh, I'm not the same as I used to be. I'm walking around in a daze. I get up with a smile on my face in the morning, whistling a love refrain. Between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, my life just ain't the same. Well, now the folks just smile and shake their heads, and mine seems funny and light. Really nothing ever seems to go wrong. Everything turns out just right. There's just one good explanation beneath the doggone moon above. Between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, you made me fall in love. Well, you made me change my ways. You made me change my ways. And I'm walking, I'm walking around in a daze. I get up and smile now every morning, singing a love refrain. Now between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, my life just ain't the same. They all smile and shake their heads. Mine seems funny and lights a light. Nothing is going wrong. Everything seems so right. Now everything seems so right. There's just one explanation beneath the doggone moon above. You and the birds and the bees and Cupid, you made me fall in love. You and the birds and the bees and Cupid, sent from up above. You made me fall in love. You made me fall in love. You made me fall in love. You've gone away from me, your face I long to see. Since you've been gone, it's not the same. There on the street I'm lonely, hearing only your name. Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where you'd gone. It fell softly from the clouds on the silent crowds as I wandered on. Out of doorways, black umbrellas came to pursue me. Faceless people as they passed were looking through me. No one knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes, face up to the skies, drinking in the rain, the falling rain. But your image was still there, floating on the air, brighter than a flame of flame. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity. And I heard the falling rain, I heard it whispering your name. And still I linger on, so lonely since you've gone.